Hey guys, welcome back. This is my Milk Makeup Kush Mascara Voxbox. So it comes in this box right here, and it says Kush there, and this is from Influenster, of course, and the brand is Milk Makeup. I have not tried that brand out yet, so let's open this box up. So this is how the inside looks. Is a mascara for high volume, and you can follow them at Milk Makeup #Kush Mascara. So here is how it's packaged in the box. It comes with black tissue paper, which I think that is so pretty when they put black tissue paper. It looks so chic. And here is the mascara in here, and it does come with the little information card. Thank you very much, Influencer, for letting me participate in this Voxbox. So here it says, welcome to the Milk family. You are one of the first to try Milk Makeup's Kush Mascara. Spread the word. One hit for high volume. Naturally lit, conditioning, CBD rich. Cannabis oil fuses heart-shaped fibers to lashes for thickness without the fallout. The formula also fills the hollow fibers for a double dose of volume. High volume. It's so funny how they name these things. You see, like high volume, because this has cannabis oil infused in it. And then the puff brush. That is so funny. So here's our before and after shots of the mascara, what it's intended to do. 95% saw high volume, 95% saw longer lashes, 90% saw thicker lashes, and 90% saw lifted lashes. Test conducted on 21 women. So now I'm gonna try this out and let you guys know how it works out. So here it is, the mascara, and this packaging is so cute. It's like a triangle, and it just have all the info there. It has Kush Mascara and all the same information that is on the information card. This is 10 ml, 0.34 fluid ounces. And here are the instructions. It says wiggle the puff brush from the lash line to the tip. Using the brush head to reach and define inner and bottom lashes. Layer for intense volume that stays clump free. Okay, so let me open it up. Wow, this packaging is like almost too heavy. So the packaging, the little bottle is like, I don't know if it's metal, but it does have a little weight on it. And it says Milk Makeup there and everything. And this is for 6 months. There goes the puff brush, how they named it. Let me show you a little closer look at it. So I'm gonna insert a clip of me trying this on and let you guys know how it works.